Well, gang, thanks for all the support. Yeah, look, I wasn't bashing myself up too hard about it. It's just it could have been avoidable, or could have been avoided if I had to listen to myself and moved the car up a little further. But hey, so I wanted to give it a push out, see how I go. Most of this is paint off the pulsar, and as you can see, it comes off, so it might not be so bad. We're going to end up with a little crease of some sort here and here, and it's got a little rash there, but we'll see what the polish might do for that. Yeah, so my plan is to either use one of those jacks, because it's not going to be hard to push that out. It's not going to be hard to push that out at all. And I think we're probably one of the saving graces that the damage wasn't worse. Well, the fact that I was only going slow, very slow crawling, but there's no brace on the bottom of the guard, so that sort of gave it a little flexibility. So yeah, so I've got a blanket here that's going to go between the jack and the inside of the guard here, wadded up, and try and push. And as I've learnt over the years, the last bit of the dent to go in is the first bit that's got to come out. And knowing that I came in on this angle backwards, so I hit here and scraped it up to there, and I think that gave away at that point. I'll try and push it out here and see how we go. Hopefully the rest will follow. And if not, I might have to give it a bit of a tap around with a hammer. I've got some dollies, and I've got a little rubber hammer, and see if I can't sort of get a little nicer looking without too much damage. We know we're going to get some work done on it. I've got a little something under there. I don't think that's me, but I don't think I did that. Okay. Give you a look when I've got that sort of pushed out a bit. I was going to get the camera stand and all this stuff, but I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to stop there for now. I don't want to go any further. I don't want to start stretching the metal. I'd rather wait until it comes to where I'm going to grind it all back and dolly it properly. But that's pulled, it's taken a bit of the noticeable amount away from it. I'm going to now try and get some of this stuff off it, which I think is just paint. Yeah, it looks like it's paint off the old Pulsar's bumper, and we'll see how that looks afterwards. Not quite as noticeable, I don't suppose, but yeah, I've got to get the paint and get the products. Most of the stuff I've had is just all dried up and she's knackered now, so I've got to do some shopping. I did knock it out a little, put a jack behind it and popped it out a bit. I need to bang away with the hammer and dolly here, but I'm going to fix that bit up first. Gonzal, got a couple of bolts, bit of metal, bit of that, one of these, drill a couple of holes, sand a couple of corners off, and bolt it on. It's got to be 11, well the other, it's 11 inches hole to hole, 11 inches hole to hole. And so I'll just cut a couple of these off, drill a couple of holes I suppose first. I'll just mark them up, drill a couple of holes while they're big, chop them off, buzz him on, clean him up. Nice. Yeah, that'll do the trick. Yep. A bit of glossy black on her. We're going to bolt her on, I think. Yeah, I think this should do the job. Yep. Oh, it's fine. Yep. No more moving about it. Now I'll get onto that bit. And so there you go, with a little tabby tap tap with the hammer and dolly. Yeah, I don't want to go too much further. Just yet, until I get the paint off. Knocked that one out there, I think, under there somewhere. Yeah, I think I knocked that one out. That's it. Look, that's some metal underneath. Yeah, so really, it's come along pretty good. Next step, knock the paint off it. See exactly how flat it is. A bit more tapping around. I'll tell you, gang, I'm trying my best to not hurry this because mechanics are naturally heavy-handed and impatient. We smash things, we rip things with our hands, we always ripping on tools, you know what I mean? The panel beat is a little more finesse. Now, a little more time, a little more finesse. So, I'm taking my time with it. And we'll come back next time and I'll have the paint off. We'll have a look and see how far away it is. I'll get it some method. I think if I just sort of grind it all down, we should be able to see what's high and low. But anyway, that'll be the next one. Hope yourselves a goodie. Check you later. Cheers.